I see Tongan race team on him.
It's a race team.
Race team? You sound like you're trying to race, man.
And that's that new Z06. I just whipped his ass right there on University.
God damn. Okay. All right. Mind if we pop the hood? What you working with today? 'Cause I gotta go in there anyway to get the put the wires. Unless the battery's in the back. Is the battery in the back or is it under the hood still?
No, it's in the.
So you got. I'm gonna let you do the honors.
It's a little messy because we
What you have done to it today?
It's messing around. I gotta clean it all up.
Oh, okay. 347. Oh. Okay. I see.
Just a little small block for him.
Yeah, he sounded real good when you pulled up. Real nice and chunky. Okay. Real nice. Enough talk. Hey, it's a nice car. Yeah, it is. Good. Money's car stereo. Well, say Money stereo installations, but anyway. Open that up, man, because we got the new logo on the back. Open it up. You'll see what's there. The Money part got bigger, but we took.
But I don't need the new logo. I need the old logo.
Oh man, the old one say car on it. This one don't say car no more. No, we general. We speaking in general terms now. So you'll lock me in for nothing says just Money stereo installations. You know what I'm saying? He can hit that back of there. Yeah, right there. Yeah. So as y'all see, he breathing. Got the blue Alpine up in there. We good to go. That's all I got to say. You taking this one back to Seattle?
Not yet.
Okay.
I gotta whip some people out here first.
Okay, well do your thing then.
I gotta whip some people out here first.
Y'all heard he say he got to whip some people out here. He ain't calling no names.
Them tires ain't no joke. They say what they say.
Let's see. Right there. Okay. All right, Smo. I appreciate that, my brother.
I love you, brother.
I'm sure. We got you. Hey, y'all. We stay moving over here at Money Stereo Installations, man. The 63 is going. You know, you ran on top of your straps right there. Hey, Simone, the key to the car. The key to the car. That would be helpful if I had the key to the car.
Thank you for that money. That was cute.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
For sure. All right, big y'all coming out now. Back to the story at hand. Man, what is your plan for this car, man?
I think I'm gonna just put the LS7 on this bed.
Okay. So you said you already had one of these in motion already?
Yeah.
Okay. So
64.
the 6.4. Now you got 3 and 4 now. See? So you had a dream. My dream turned into a nightmare. And so I had to quit. So I'm gonna let you continue on. There's some 1s and 2s out there waiting for you if you want to get the whole party. I had to
probably just leave the 3 and 4. And then the other one is 4-door though.
Oh, okay. Oh, your 4 is a 4-door?
Yeah.
Oh, nah.
Yeah.
Well, hey, y'all. I told y'all it was for sale. And we ain't gonna discuss what we let it go for. I told somebody, show up. You show up, you might can take it home with you. It was too late. He was coming to buy speakers for his motorcycle. We had discussed some motorcycle stuff. I said a number, he said a number. I said, man, come back with some money in the trailer. You can take it home. And you see where it's going. Out the door. I'm just saying, gotta go.